My name is Richard Williams. My background in terms of voice acting is that I have completed several courses a few years before, never actually got a chance to put anything into practice. So for me this was a little bit of a refresher, the opportunity to learn something new, and maybe kickstart some motivation so that I can actually put things into practice. I did find it useful, I found it interesting. Martin, the leader of the workshop, I found him there were things, because I have done some training before, that I was waiting to see if he would bring them in, and generally speaking he did bring them in. So I found that he did it in a very organic way, a very natural seeming way. I definitely felt that I learned things from this course that I hadn't learned on the other courses that I've done. I would say that's definitely true. I think I would recommend this course to someone who's coming to voice acting with very, very little to no experience, because it's a very good eye-opener, the way that Martin handled the course by directing, getting us to do one take and then asking us to do different versions of the take was very good. Gives people an understanding of how in the studio the director will suddenly snap their mind's decision, and all of a sudden you're going a completely different way from where you were before. So I think it prepares people the first step into a larger world, shall we say.